The next topic is the digestive process from the chapter 1, the digestive system. We start the reading. The first part of the digestive process is quick, chewing the food into small pieces before it is swallowed. The food is mixed with saliva, which contains an enzyme called amylase. Amylase start to break down starch in the food into type of soluble sugar called maltose. The chewed food is pushed down the gullet or esophagus by waves of muscular contraction like a series of squeezes until it reaches the stomach. Food will go from your mouth to your stomach even if you stand on your head. Food is stored in the stomach for a few hours. The stomach can hold about 1.5 liters of food. The food is mixed with gastric juice, which is made by the walls of stomach. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid, which kills most bacteria in the food. It also gives the best condition for enzymes called proteases to begin breaking down proteins in the food. The food is churned around in the stomach for up to 6 hours after a large meal. These 3 paragraphs explain the 3 processes. First part is chewing of the food. Food is chewed in the mouth and then it is swallowed. Then the chewed food is pushed down the gullet or esophagus by muscular contraction. And in the third paragraph, food is stored in stomach for a few hours. There a process takes place when it is mixed with HCl or hydrochloric acid. Then in fourth paragraph we study food is slowly squashed and squeezed along the small intestine at about 2.5 centimeter a minute. The small intestine is 7 meters long and about 3 centimeters in diameter. As the food is pushed through from the stomach into small intestine, a little at a time, bile is squeezed into it. Bile is made by the liver and stored in the gallbladder until it is needed. Bile emulsifies, which means break up the fats. It is also alkaline to make the condition right for the enzymes in the small intestine. The walls of the small intestine produce enzymes which digest protein, carbohydrates and fats. The pancreas produces 3 more enzymes which also digest proteins, carbohydrates and fats. The walls of the small intestine are not smooth but are covered with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. The villi are perfect for absorbing food because they give the small intestine a much larger surface area. They have a thin outer layer of cells and a dense network of blood capillaries.